Hello, YouTube. Just getting set up with every other thing. and then we'll get started. Hello, Twitch. I must post on Discord. Okay, published on Discord. Hello, hello, hello. V-Square, welcome in. Hello. We're just getting set up. Let me put on some music. Well, hey Coda, welcome in. Let me check the balance here. I'm gonna just turn it down really quick. DB9, welcome in. Hello. Hadokinen, good kval. Välkommen. Just getting the music set up. Candle. I should have known. There we go. Music. Pre-dusk the stream. You know, time makes fools of us all. Perfect candle time, yeah. Let's get the music audible. Rodrigo, hola, welcome in. All right. The music should be right. Does it sound like music to you? Let's candle it up. Also, Carrot's going bananas. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Why don't you hop up? You want to hop up? You could just hop up, you know? You could just be right here. Here you go. That's nice. That's nice. Nice and close. Good. She wants a cuddle. She had so much attention earlier. It's just because you're all here. She wants new attention. I'm giving attention to the computer instead of you. Hi. Yeah. She'll be fine. She's spoiled. Thank you, DB9, for the giant carrot cake. Now what is she doing? Oh gosh. She's always doing something. Oh, she's fine. Alright. So I've been a busy little bee. And I got a lot of cool stuff added. And today there's a few little things I want to do, and then we're going to add time travel and flying. One more thing, add SFX when destroying bush. Because I feel like it's not impactful enough when we bust a bush. You know what I mean? We got to really like feel like we busted a bush when we bust the bush. I hope you guys like how much I'm saying bust a bush. Because I'm doing it for you. Time travel? It's a different kind of time travel. You know how like in Fallout? You sit down at a bench or you lay down in bed and it's like, how long do you want to rest for? And then you pick a time and then it jumps you forward. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. And it's gonna be sweet. And it's for a good reason, which I'll tell you about eventually. Destroy bush. We're gonna call a function to just destroy the bush. And then we're gonna queue free. So finally I heart in the lead because you gambled and lost. Finally. So yeah, before we were just queue freeing when we hit the bush with an axe, but I wanted to make it do like a whole thing. Keith, welcome in. Time travel. Yes, time travel and flying today. We're gonna fly. And I'm gonna make it so if you hit it with a pickaxe, it does the same as with the axe. I'm also gonna say with the rock, equipment dot shovel. If you know, these are going to be identical except the return, so I'm just gonna actually maybe not. For now, we'll just leave these together. Okay, when we hit rock and we call use tool, custom decay int equals 5. Go back to the rock. Oh my gosh, Medusa and Lenny and Robina. Oh my gosh, so many people just came in. Hi. I was in Les Zones. Suppose you're always #1 on your own stream. Who else would be? Oh, it's you. Hi, I guess. Wow, Lenny. Thanks. Hi, DB9. Oh, okay. Okay. Got a new emote today. Oh, that's good. Munching on some popcorn. That looks like me when I have popcorn, except I'm less cute about my popcorn. OMG, it's I Heart Funny Boys. I can't believe I'm awake and not at work. Should you be at work? Typing Hazard, welcome in. Box, welcome. Look at your... you got jammies in between your eyes. Is that your way of saying you're sleepy? If an equipable... that... equipable UID is equal to... you know what? I'm just gonna say match. And we're just gonna call this again. Equipment dot pickaxe. Then we're gonna do normal. Else we're gonna do more. Always tired. I feel that. Working from home, but usually I'd be taking a nap at noon if work from home. Ooh. I don't know if I could take a nap at noon without ruining the rest of the day. This is a way of saying someone needs to make a nose emote. Oh. I feel like Foolbox would be the perfect person for that because he made a whole game about picking noses. Medusa, thank you for the bits. Everyone, thank you for the popcorn. I'm sorry. You know I hate you. Wow, Lenny. Jesus. You splitter of this family, shake my head. You know, you came in pretty hot. But I'm hotter. I can't say it. Can't say it seriously. Usually I don't wake up until after 5. And then just say, when will my job end? Oh. I know nothing about noses. I don't even have one. Oh. Burn? Alright, anyway. So I'm just adding a little extra decay. The average number of noses per person is not 1. But can people also be born with 2 noses? Because I don't know about that. And if that's the case, well, then that changes things, doesn't it? Okay, this changed. You know, I'll leave it in, it's fine. Adds SFX when destroying a bush. It's really bold of me to do this without running it first to check that I didn't have like a typo or something that breaks everything. Fuel, welcome in. How's the job hunting going? If you're job hunting, that is? You mean me? I'm not job hunting. I already got a new job. I already started the new job. I've been working at the job and now I'm just on vacation at said job. I work at ESS. I got a new job at ESS and started in November. Pretty cool. Define nose. Fair. Oh, I have another. Nice. Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Lenny. Although I don't know if Lenny deserves. Skin, bone, cartilage. The average amount of testes per person is 1 as well. I feel like it's less than 1. I think. I don't know. A nose is just streamlining for faces. Yeah, it's like a wind thing. It's only weird if you make it weird. The nose thing, the holes, the testes, what's weird? How fancy, right? Things are definitely weird by group acknowledgement. Oh, okay. So, society decides weird. Rodrigo, welcome to the Twitch side. The chat is just insane right now. Where's my game dev nose maxing streamer channel? That's what people crave. That's true. I want to see a stream where instead of like eating, they just sniff things. And that's the whole stream. They're just sniffing to excess. Can I give my sub to someone else? Fuck you, Lenny. We're all just holes with meat. Aren't we holes of meat? Like meat holes? Alright. Adds more tools can break rocks, but those tools decay faster. Alright, let's test this really quick because I was dumb and didn't test it beforehand. And then we can you can't really hear it, but that's okay. Then we can add time travel. Yeah, I'm working on something. So this is my game. So I don't have any tools in my inventory right now, but I will have. You can see the time of day. So normally a pickaxe wouldn't work on a stone. But now It needs a sound effect. I want to know I'm hitting a rock. Clank. Can you hear it? Can you imagine? Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Typing Hazard. My goodness. Can you imagine? I'm gonna try for a job at a bank. I've never really had a programming job before, so my CV is a bit barren. That's fair. Well, I wish you luck, no matter how rude and snarky you are. Alright, so we were able to do this. That's good. Also, there's nighttime now. Do you all see? Oh, I got copper. Nice. Do you see the nighttime? Saying wow like you're not snarky. See how night it is? Does it make you sleepy to see this? Oh, it like stepped. Is there a Yelp for streamers? I have something to say. I think you just vote with your viewership, right? It's a pretty night scene. Nice. Thank you. I just added it like yesterday. And today I changed how the world spawns when you start a new save, and like over time too. Also, now we have daily achievements in addition to the longer term ones. I busted a boulder. So you have more opportunities to get points if you like don't want to do the main things. There's a ton of mushrooms right now because I made totems as well that will spawn whatever the totem is about. So I put down a bunch of mushroom totems to see if it was working, and now there's just like a ton of mushrooms everywhere. Collected 3 sticks. Can't tell if I'm off or it's not messing with the tiles. The light, you mean? I mean, it's slightly. Like, there's a blue light at night that switches from, like, the neutral light, the, like, white light. So it is slightly changing the color of the tiles. But it doesn't make it actually darker. It just makes it a little more blue. Which is something I learned from Og, like, 2 days ago. There's no world sun directional light that is going away. Yeah. The only programming job software engineer I could find that I might be able to do is Java job at the local bank. Yeah, you'd be able to do that. I love the mushrooms. Oh, good. I'm planning on adding a ton more variety and changing up some of the ones I did have. Oh. Because here, and these are the mushroom totems. They're not very pretty. I just like whipped this up. But if you place these in the world, then it increases the spawn rate for mushrooms. So we'll get like even more now. Also, it's night, and nighttime is the high time for mushrooms as well. So like in the next hour, we're just gonna like... I mean, it's so hard to even see more at this point. There's so many mushrooms, but... I'm a snarky dickhead. I didn't say dickhead. Dino Chris, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Hello. Nothing wrong with using Java. Yeah. Unless you choose to use Java. Oh. Tricky, welcome in. Overcane, hello. Dino Chris, how was your stream? What did you get up to? Am I saying that right? Is it Chris or Chris? Chris? I don't know. There's a lot of snark going on in the chat. You can just ignore that. I will too. Happy new something. Thank you. You too. Happy new everything. Oh my gosh. If you don't know me, any of the readers, hello. I'm iHeartFunnyBoys. I'm a game dev working Godot. And I'm working right now on a cozy multiplayer game. And I was just showing off these mushroom totems that make mushrooms grow like crazy. But also I already had them out, so it's kind of crazy. My cat is singing. Why? What's going on? Something musical, it sounds like. No one knows. Okay, I can't even follow chat. You're all nonsense. You're all nonsense. But yeah, I was just testing a few things I added, looking for bugs, and I'm not really seeing any, which is good. Did my axe break? It did. Okay. I need to get a new tool ASAP. Oh gosh, I may not be able to. Oh no. Oh wait, yes, I already have enough. Okay, never mind. I was looking for a stone, but I'm like holding all the stone in the world right now. Just call him darling. Do you have multiplayer, by the way? What are you using? What are you going to use for it? Will it be PvP? Yeah, so multiplayer is already set up. And I am doing Steam-based multiplayer. And it is peer-to-peer. Okay, that was okay. That was decent. I'm doing peer-to-peer. So, Kezer, hi, welcome in. It's only between friends. You can't join someone you don't have as your friend on Steam. And they specifically have to open up their world to host. So you can't just go visit a friend who didn't open themselves up to being visited. And it's just using the default Godot multiplayer. We can't play together because we're not friends, Foolbox. We are friends. I know for a fact we are. At least on Steam. Which is the only way that really matters. Oh. Can I just say this game is so cute? Of course you can. Of course you can. Thank you. But yeah, I'm just using the base Godot. I'm not doing any prediction or advanced interpolation or anything like that because there's not really action in this game. There's a bit of physics going on for just like collisions, but there's not like any high speed anything. It's just like about exploring and collecting's like the biggest thing, and then crafting. So I just didn't think it was necessary to do anything more. Mile SGE, welcome in. Thank you for the focus on work. I will. Damn. Steam friends are real friends, right? Right? But DB9, you and I aren't Steam friends, so that can't be. We could create a giant Steam friend list that creates a lobby set of users. Yeah, so another thing about this, and then, yes, let's focus on work. If you visited a friend, Jotson, welcome in. Good morning. Good evening. It's late here. If you visited a friend and you have a third friend or a second friend who's not friends with the friend you're visiting, that other friend can still visit your first friend. So like if I saw Coda was in some other girl's realm, I could go break in on them and be like, what are you doing? So as an example, he would never, but as an example. All right, let's check in on our to-do list. Okay, time jumping. We're going to do time jumping. It only takes 6 degrees to find anyone. That's okay. The drama. And then if he left her realm, I could still be there. But she can always kick out everyone at any point. Yeah. Oh, the drama. But it also means, like, if I have a bratty little brother and I'm, like, in my friend's space, he could jump in. Hey, Vishar on the YouTube side. Welcome in. So you got to kind of be careful about that. I'm going to put the music, the background music back on. Let's work on some time travel. I got lost in the second friend. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe a little too much detail. Maybe a little too much. So right now, time, it's set to be a certain number of seconds per hour, and it's a constant. But what I might do, just to see, is set it as a variable. And then what we can do is speed time to speed time by num hours hints void. So what we'll do is we'll say if we call this function the number of hours, then from our current hour to the number of hours above the delta, we'll have time go faster and then we'll put it back to normal. So we'll call it var sped time, sped sec per hour, and maybe we'll do like 5 seconds per hour. So that'll be really fast, but not like instant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whole conversation got my mind twisting around. Okay. Now you know I feel reading chat half the time. Finally, NASA admits time travel is possible. Oh, it is, but only forwards. I probably should utilize Steam stuff. Definitely. I've been avoidant about even learning about it. Oh, because I want mobile cross, but friends list can be tied in and everyone's already using Steam. Yeah, that's like the whole point of this, is to like take advantage of everything Steam has to offer. This is my first time tuning in to stream. Excited for today's progress. Awesome, Bishar. Well, welcome. I hope I can impress. I aim to please. I have a really good idea of what we're going to do, so it should be a really good one. Okay, so we're going to set... oh, let's set all... This should be a const. And then we'll do base. And that'll be 30. So that's like the default. And we'll just start it as the default. So we'll say speed time by, and then final time is equal to hour plus num hours. And then we'll say seconds per hour is equal to sped sec per hour while hour is less than final time. Await hour changed. And then we'll set seconds per hour back to base. So we'll speed up time and then we'll just keep checking when the hour changes. Hilden, welcome in. Hello. Is it too much headphone usage if one has a bald spot in head where the headphones sit? Maybe. It also might just be that you have a tendency to baldness, which definitely happens. Probably saves me sanity too. Yeah, I wouldn't even try cross-platform at this point and just focus on going through Steam. And then, like, because if you do cross-platform, you need to do it your own server, and that sucks. I've done nothing but complain about mobile dev all day. All past every year. Oh, not just a day. The server I do have. Yeah, but then, like, you have to facilitate so much more than just doing Steam, connect to your friends. Okay, so speed time by. Let's assert num hours is greater than 0. Because otherwise, that's real bad. Okay. So we can try as a first thing. Let's extend this script, call it chair. It already was called chair. Oops. So if you have an equipable, I don't know what you're doing. Else. Sit Tamer. Hello, welcome in. And Bobbin, welcome. What's up? We're doing some time travel. I have the whole database and everything already. It actually been hanging out on channels. It's convincing me to offload from the main server. Oh, okay. There's just no baldness in my family line, and there are no balding anywhere else. I must now try half a year with different headphone type to see if my hypothesis is true. Yeah, if there's no baldness in your family, I'd be thinking you gotta try a different headset that doesn't go over the top of your head. The chat is really large. Yeah, and they're busy. They're saying a lot. It's okay though. I like to see it. It's for me to see on 16p. Oh, you mean it's large on the screen? Working on bleeding edge, are you? Oh. No hair maxing. This is a nose maxing stream. I'm sorry, you're right. We love nose, don't we? Okay, so what do? We say we probably want to do sit first. Return sit. But first let's call sit. Okay. A player dot. Gosh, I don't even know. Maybe we'll just say game time speed time by 5. Just to see what happens. Oh my gosh, Medusa, thank you for the gifts up to Tamer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so much happening. I'm so sorry, chat. So much going on. Did we define no? Oh my god, there's so much in the chat. Y'all, I'm supposed to be focusing on work. It hasn't even been 10 minutes. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna work. Runty, welcome in. Hello. Xmas Police, are you aware of how early your Xmas ornaments are up? They're staying up till March. Fight me. Fight me. Okay. So now if you go and you interact with the chair, we're gonna speed time for 5 hours. I just want to see what happens. And actually, it's a really good thing that we're in this save because I already have so much in it that we can just make a chair. Which is fortunate. Not everyone would be so lucky. Alright, ready? I'm nervous. Oh. Oh! Time! Oh. 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 Did time? I think returning this was a mistake. Let's take that off. Time. Boolean, welcome in. Chat's going crazy, and I'm just trying to focus on work for a little bit. Just a smidgen. Alright. Time. Time. Continuing time. It only did 2 hours. Why is that? Okay, no, it's still going fast, relatively. Okay. Oh, it jumped by 2. I see. Midnight. 1 a.m. Okay, I don't even know what it thinks it's doing. We're just gonna have it on for a long time and see what happens. Alright, chair. It's 2 a.m. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I gotta speed it up even more because this doesn't seem like it's actually going fast at all. Oh, wait, yeah, while this, await this. Oh, you know what? The overflow. I didn't really consider this. Oops. Overflow. Forgot to eat fruit with my lunch. FMLBRB. Alright. That sounds good. Eat some fruit. Zoe, welcome in. Happy New Year to you too. Chat's going bananas, so I've just had to ignore it for a little bit. Although I finished my focus on work. But I am enjoying focusing on work, so it's kind of tempting. There's a Danish Xmas song that contains the lyrics, Xmas lasts until Easter. Oh no, that's no true, because in the meantime comes the fast. What? What? She hates us. No, the chat is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. That's right. Spot Monk, I think I already welcomed you, but welcome anyway. Double welcome. Double welcomes all the way. Maybe you weren't already in. I thought you were. Maybe not. Bananas. I used to run on the treadmill of that. I just loop. Yeah, that sounds amazing. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. The chat is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. I feel like 1 second per hour would be quite the speed up. Okay. So maybe we reset. Oop. No. Maybe we reset seconds per hour when we do this. Nyan Cat 10-hour loop has its uses too. You do a 10-hour loop of running to Nyan Cat. Alright, so now time's gonna go real fast. Engage. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, time travel, it's happening! It's real! Oh my god. Okay, what happens if I do it now? Is it gonna be nighttime? Yay! Time travel! That's so much better than what it was. Oh, uh-oh. I didn't check the overflow. It's just going forever. Oh no. Okay. If final time is greater than 23, or equal to 24, final time minus equal 24. I think I have this as a variable somewhere, so I should use it. Yeah, max hours, we'll say. If it's greater than max hours, minus equal max hours. That doesn't work. If it's greater than equal, it's greater than max hours minus 1. it's equal. Okay, hold on. Greater than or equal to max hours. It's greater than or equal to 23. Plus 1. Wait. I don't want the plus 1 there. It was like for checking if it reaches 23, then it goes back to 0, but I'm just doing something a little different. Okay, sorry, I'm being dumb. If it's greater than max hours, if it's greater than 23, it's 24. Subtract 24. Fine. Okay, hopefully that just fixes it. Okay, let's see. Engage. So it should be... Oh, didn't work. You're right. Why isn't it working? Go. Speed time, please. Oh. I'm so goofy. My gosh. Captain Krabs, welcome. Like the test at top. Yeah, that's the name of the world. Because it's like I write that for the save and then I just rewrite it for the world. But that's how you know it's a test. Anything we can help Rubber Duck? So it's just like my comparison, right? So I'm doing a wrap on the final time. But then because of that, hour is gonna immediately be greater than final time because of the wrap. Medusa, thank you for the gifts up to Captain Krabs. My goodness. My goodness. I should turn off the game music and then just play music consistently because I keep having to swap it around while I'm streaming. Okay, so instead of changing final time, Good Gadumpy. Like the final time wraps, and that's fine. So it'd be like hour 27 is actually like 3 a.m. But hour would then never exceed final time. So maybe we'd say if final time is greater than max hours, if our... Cody, welcome in. Hello. Sorry, just checking the chat. I've been ignoring you guys. I'm really sorry. But I'm getting good work done, so priorities. Plus, like, you seem to be having your own combo, and that's fine. Reporting for party time. Excellent, excellent. We were just setting up time travel. But I'm having a a breen thing. Never apologize, never surrender. Huh. I love time travel. Good. So we figure out what the final time is, and that might be over 24 hours. So then we say if the final time is greater than 24 hours, and if hour plus max hours is greater than or equal to final time, break. Okay, so if we know our final time exceeds max hours, then we can add max hours to the current hour and check again to say, so if the hours then, but that would instantly, okay, I think I know. Final day. If final time is greater than max hours. This is annoying. You know what? I just realized I'm doing this so dumb. I can literally just add a counter. I forgot how to... We just know how many hours we're waiting, so why don't I just do that many awaits? I don't know if I could do that in a for loop and have it work. Focusing in for rubber duck, never mind, easy solved. I never felt more connected to any community online or IRL. Oh, that's so nice. I found my people. Oh. I was in a stream much more chaotic than this, but the essence and understanding stands. That's really nice. I've been going upstream in the wrong stream, thinking I'm actually going with the current. You're my people, been trying to go with the stream, realizing I'm in the wrong stream and I've been going against it. That's really nice. Dustin and I are having a therapy session. I see that. I'm liking it. I have one for Monday too, with a pro. Dustin's a pro. No, I'm kidding. That's good. You should. I spent 1,043 messages in chat last month. How do you even check something like that? I must know. It just says you've sent over 1,000 total. I don't know. Zero G Scott, welcome in. Twitch is showing me a little recap thing. Oh, that's nice. All right, this should work. Famous last words. Are you guys ready to jump through time? So it's 11 a.m. now. So if I interact with the chair, it'll speed up to 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 9 p.m. Nice. And now if I interact again, it'll go till 7 a.m. We can watch the sky. I should have just put the chair at the edge. I literally could have done that. Oh gosh. Nice. And the reason you do this, the reason someone would want to do this, is because the things in the world spawn some every hour, some only over a new day. And then some things only spawn at night, and some things only spawn during the daytime. And then also you have your dailies. So if you don't like your dailies, you could just be like, sit in the chair for 24 hours and give me some fresh ones. Can you make it a cigar instead of a chair? No. But we need to make a UI that pops up so it can actually be like, sit in the chair. And I want to have an animation there as well. We can just watch the time go. But you need to be able to set how long. And I want to see sitting. I want to see a sitting. Oh. I didn't like that. Huh. I guess... I think I know why that happens. Uh-oh. Cricket, welcome in. Bust some ass, indeed. I think I know why the sky is doing that nonsense. Oh, gosh. Irish John, welcome in. What is that face? 20 stream streak. Nice one, Rodrigo. Oh, see, okay, so there's a tween that's changing the sky, and I think when I speed up time, it's still running in the background. And so then it like retakes over. So I need to find a way to stop that. In fact, I already know. I just said that and then I was like, I know how to do it. I know what to do. But it's all part of the process. So right now we're making a tween that will change the lighting and the sky background. And we define it here. But if instead it were global. Global, could you imagine? And then we'll say tweener.stop in case it was running. Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Irish John. Oh my god. Thank you for all the gift subs. Jeez, I'm just sitting here. Alright, I hope this doesn't just yell at me. We'll see. It immediately yelled at me. Okay, so we'll say if tweener stop. I'm a sleeper working. Oh. I found my people. Aw. Having a snowstorm in Sweden too? It doesn't look like it right now. It's definitely snowing, but it doesn't look so bad. Erin, my twin, welcome in. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. I mean, it's like a little bit, but I'm in southern Sweden, so I'm like right by the Denmark. Oh my gosh, Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to my twin. My twin. All right, let's see how the sky looks when we speed up time. Like so. You would think it flashes. I think it's fine. I think that's fine. And it doesn't go back to night. That's good. Now let's go again. All right, good. Freddy Confetti, welcome in. Candle. Yes, 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 sir. You know what I have to do. You had to do it. You had to do it. Lenny, you don't have snow? I can see it like under the street light coming down. How's the project going? It's flying. And we're going to be flying once I get the time travel set up. And I think it's working now. We just have to add in an animation and lock the character in. I'm pretty sure I see snow. So we need to lock the character into their seat. Yeah, there's a limit on how many candles too, because I don't have infinite candles to burn. Gotten around 10 centimeters of snow since this afternoon. Oh god, okay. I have no street lights at the moment. They're building stuff. Okay, so you might just not see the snow. Buy candle, redeem, win. I already bought candles for chat. I bought like a whole big pack of them specifically so I could do more candles. Bits candle redeem? You think people should pay me money to like candles? I bet they would, but I don't think I should. I don't think that'd be very nice. $3 intensity. That's a lot. That's a lot. I think people should pay you money. Just in general. Send me money. Extra candles in addition to the points one. Oh, like beyond. So like if I'm gonna light new candles beyond what like the established amount is. You get $3 for minus charisma? What? Is this from a game I'm not familiar with? Cha-ching. Jackpot. Okay, so we need to sit our keister down, which means we need a sit animation. And we are not currently using one. But I know we have an idle sit. But it's not connected. Interesting. Why wouldn't that be connected? We got sit-ups. Do we want to do sit-ups? Light the candles, wave around the censer, chant a little maybe. Hart and Coda's house is gonna look like a Catholic church with all the candles. Charging people to light a candle isn't very cash money. I mean, it's literally cash money. Bits for ambiance seems like a fair trade. It seems like the kind of thing I'd want to give away for free though, because like otherwise like I have a worse stream, right? Right? Let's check on the animation manager. I swear I had sitting. I didn't. Weird. All right. I do need to do push-ups. New Year's. Thanks, Aaron. Oh man, it actually has been good to at least do some push-ups during stretch breaks. Push-ups. I can not do a push-up right now. My little character can, and that's all that matters. Right? 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 Okay, let's fix this up. sneaking. Oh my gosh. Should we be sneaky? Sneaky little witches? Avi, welcome in. Hello. Speaking of the snow, I do think it has damaged my foot. Oh, my shoes decided to have a hole in them at the worst moment, and I walked around in negative temps, getting my socks progressively more wet. Ooh, didn't get home until like 8 hours afterwards. Still feel pain all these days after. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not very open mouth smiley face. I don't know why you're here we go. Did I just hear Carrot fart out loud? Oh, I just thought I heard her like ripping. Okay. So this is gonna be sitting idle. Toes are safe though, no saw needed. I mean, it sounds like there might be. That's kind of the... That's the only logical conclusion, is that we're gonna have to saw off your tootsies. I'm sorry, Lenny. It has to be this way. Sit floor down. Oh, I already had a sit. Okay, but I want to sit in the chair. A few days ago, a friend of mine told me what is wrong about me and his point of view. A few days later, he ended our friendship. That hurt. Oh my god, that sucks. That's awful, Abby. Let them saw. Gotta go yeet. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Is that YouTube? Oh wait, yeah, on the YouTube side, Avi was saying their friend was not being... Well, it sounds like not their friend anymore. Jeez. What word can we not say? What game are you working on? Dev Jumper, welcome in. This game is called Hexery. It's a cozy multiplayer game I've been working on. And I'm adding right now the ability to sit in a chair, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty sick. Pretty excited about it. But we need to make room. My my animation logic is leaving me wanting. All right. What is this called? Is falling. We'll call this one is sitting. And this will be with a transition. So if we activate the animation tree, it doesn't instantly happen. There's a transition, which I think is nice. Miles, welcome in. Do you use state machines? Not for this animation. It's, I mean, I guess you could call it a state machine. No, I guess you can't. So I just have a script on my animation tree. Let's get that out of here. To call different functions, and that sets the parameters. Love sitting in chair. Me too. Me too. So let's call sit in chair. If in, I don't know why I'd start with not in. Oh, because that one's falling, right? Else. Aaron, did you see the musical remix of that short that I showed you when I rated your stream last week that Coda made? Where he turned it into like a I don't even know what you'd call it, type of music. It's the first time this kind of thing has happened to me. I feel like that's definitely happened to me before, but I was much younger. I assume. I don't actually know how old you are, but I was in like high school and I've had friends say stuff and then just unfriend me. Can chop down trees, 11 out of 10. Exactly. Here, let me just share the link, Aaron. Because I've played it like too much. Let me just grab it really quick. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Isn't that nice? How is networking working Godot? Is it as painful as Unity or other game engines? I would say it's probably equal. Like, you have to be really considerate, just like anywhere, of what you have to be really considerate of. Oh, words have left me. You have to be really considerate of who owns the actions, who owns the data, who owns the state. So, like, can everyone just do this? Is this client side or is this host side? And I don't think there's any game engine that would let you avoid making that kind of decision and having that kind of logic explicit. Second favorite, welcome in. Yay, time travel. It's true. We are traveling in time. And now we're just adding that we have a nice sit when we do it. I just had a good idea. Tell me, Medusa. Can't note things well. Oh. So I have to tell you. Okay. Okay, you tell me. Banger, you like it, Aaron? Yeah, Coda made that. I think it's really good. And, like, gets stuck in my head. In honor of your time travel, I'm gonna do some time dilation. That sounds good. I think. I don't know. Being able to yell like Street Fighter, like Hadouken. Wait. And like imagine a field. People want to go outside and yell. Yes, people love going outside and yelling. And do martial arts, yoga. Yes. Are you gonna make a game of that experience? But then stream it. Oh. Well, I'll slow down so folks can have more time to make skill shots in my game. Oh. You're going the other way. Like an IRL place. Oh, and then you'd stream them screaming. I see. For people to go and do karate outside. I'm not really sure I'm following. So it's just super easy in my engine, so it'll take like 10 minutes. That's what I thought. I think slowing down would have been easier than speeding up, though, because I have to worry about, like, looping. I will be the one screaming that. Thank you very much. All right, all right. You scream your own name. Okay, you screenshotted it. Okay, okay. All right, so we're gonna do sit in chair. Sit in chair. And we don't emit an action point. But we want to wait and then be free. So I guess what we'd want to do with the chair when we sit, we'll call a player dot animation tree sit true, and then await this, and then a player dot animation tree sit in chair false. Can we do that? I have stuff to do. Oh. Oops. Oh. So does this actually wait? I think it should. Yeah. But player, when they're doing their interact, okay, so it waits for the custom action to interact. Okay, and then we wait for it to finish. So we have to have a way of saying, don't do this. If custom action equals I don't know. We should have a const. No custom. No action. Turn. Okay. So then we just need to grab that. This is getting kind of tangled. But when we do sit in chair, we should say owner dot action locked or lock freeze. What is it? Movement locked. Owner dot movement locked is false. I always have stuff to do. It kind of saturates me. My work computer won't connect to the VPN, so I guess I'm going back to the office to run a security update. That sucks. Okay, bye. What's a nice break? And Medusa, you're the man. Tamer, I'm sorry you have to go back to the office. That really sucks. Oh, to be able to sit in a chair. Oh, second favorite. No. I'm on this pendulum where I know I shouldn't help. I know the streamer is cooking and I know it won't help. At some point, I would have to hold my tongue, and now the code is fine and the logic has to be thought. Just have to listen. That's okay. Yeah, no, I'm the same. Sometimes I just want to try and help. I would say don't hesitate to help, but like I might not do what you say because I usually have a pretty good idea of what I'm doing. So unlike other things, when we're sitting in chair, we actually do want to rotate towards the chair. Okay. Return animation, player animation, something like that. Player anim tree dot no action. So we call set and we return this. So it moves on. So right now this should work, except the player's butt won't be facing the chair when they do the sit. I think that's going to be the only part that doesn't work, but we'll find out. Oh, okay. I accidentally left this true when I was setting it up. Just perpetually sitting. Come from Cricket stream where he wouldn't even listen if we had the right answer. It's 70 degrees outside. Oh, it is not. Not here. All right. So I can't move. And then... And now we're free and I can move again. And can I interact with other things? Yes. Yes. Okay. Perpetually sitting, that's the name of my autobiography. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so what do we do about this? We just need to flip it. And there's no way out of it once you do it. Should there be? Could there be? Would there be? I don't think there should be. I think you've done this to yourself. You fucked up, and that's how it is. And then we need a way to break out of it if we're... Well, we'll get the input first. Standing desk, okay. Good call. I'm very sweaty. And it's because the chair is so not letting heat flow, so I kind of needed to stand anyway. Yeah, I'm very sweaty. Gross. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I guess when the UI pops up to set the number of time instead of it just being default, feed the bird. Okay. Hi, very sweaty. I'm Dad. Daddy? You came back? After all these years? SO? Wait, Renty, what do you want the language to be? Tom Millman, welcome in. Did you even code if you're not sweaty? Good point. Good point. Also, did I talk right through ads? That's my bad. Danish. Okay. Oh, Lord. Now I have to learn the garbage language. I'm just kidding. Let's see where it's hiding. New to Danish. Let's turn off. No, we gotta keep it on. Ooh, no.
Hi.
I bet I know what that means. Hello.
Hi, Henrik.
Hello, Henrik. So far, so good. So far, Swedish.
Hi. Hi. Ja.
Yeah.
Ja. Ja.
Yeah. Means I would bet.
Hi Henrik. Hi Ida.
Hi, Henrik. Hi, Ida. Hello, Henrik. Hello, Ida. That's a cute name. Ida.
Hi, Ida. Hi, Ida.
Hej Ida.
Jeg er Ida.
Jeg Ida. I am Ida.
Hej Ida. Hej Henrik. Hej
Hej.
Henrik.
No.
Ida.
Ida.
Hej
Hen-
Henrik. Hej, jeg er Ida.
Hello, I am Ida. Hej. Jeg Ida. It's exactly
Hej
Swedish.
Ida, jeg er Henrik.
I mean, not exactly, but it's very close. Hello, Ida. I am Henrik. Jeg Henrik. Basically fluent. I mean...
Jeg
Jeg
Ida.
Ida. Hej.
Hej.
Hej. Förlåt. Hej.
Ja.
Jeg
Er. Ja.
Ida.
Ida. I keep clicking the wrong things.
Hej.
Hej.
Ja.
Ja.
Er.
Henrik. It's interesting. They don't have enough of a collection of sounds that they keep switching this voice actor. And in Swedish, they don't have that problem. Okay, that was an easy one. Let's do a harder one. Have you tried Google Translate's version of Duolingo? No, I didn't know such a thing existed. Very interesting. I canceled my Duolingo Prime or whatever you call it because I just never use it. So if there's another alternative, I'd be interested to see it. I know himlen och pannkakor. Is it bothering anyone? I'm typing along. I'm just ignoring it. I think it's fine. Get out of here.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Ja.
Ja.
Yeah.
Ja, jeg er Ida.
Yes, I am Ida.
Du er Henrik.
Du er Henrik. Heaven and pancakes. That sounds amazing. They reportedly recently worked on / released such a feature. I bet it's all AI based, right?
Du. Og.
Og? I don't know that one.
Ja. Ja.
Ja, du er Henrik. Ja,
Yeah.
Du
Du
er Henrik.
Du og jeg.
Oh, it's and. That's interesting.
Og.
Hej.
Ja,
Huh.
Henrik og Ida.
Yeah. But I actually know how to pronounce og, so I kind of like that better.
Og.
Og. That's easy.
Hej.
Ja.
Du. Og.
Jeg.
Du og jeg.
Ja.
Ja.
Og.
Du
du
er.
Wait. And you are Ida. What a
Ida.
weird sentence.
Ja.
Er.
Henrik. Og.
Du er.
Very
Ida.
good. All right. I think that's enough. I think that's enough Danish for one lifetime. When you use og. When do you use og and when do you use ok? So it's like
The countdown has begun.
Get out of here. No. It's more like at least with ok, right? And the pronunciation isn't the spelling, and it always messes me up. Learn the most Danish I ever learned. I'll provide you with cake if you come to Denmark. You're basically fluent. Coda can have some too. Coda actually knows a lot of Danish. He's studied it for a while. So he knows Danish. So he'll come and help me get around. Although I think I could probably read any sign in Denmark. Her words, not mine. Okay. I would say Coda knows Danish pretty well. Studied Spanish for 6 years, can't speak shit. Oh. J'étudie français pour 4 heures. What? On. I keep mixing up Swedish and French. But I studied French for 4 years in high school. And I still speak just the littlest bit. But I get so messed up because now I'm learning Swedish and it's like just the non-English, whatever comes to mind first is what I say. I know new Vanguard there from Overwatch. Games are educational. They are. They are. Yeah, I do like cake, Runty. I do like cake. I think you have to live in the place to truly learn a language. I live in Sweden and I still can't speak Swedish. But I'm not exposed to it, so I'm not even going to pretend it's equivalent. I won't even pretend. Look at me not pretending. I mustn't pretend. Should I say it again? Alright. Mustn't. No. One mustn't pretend. Okay, so we need a canvas layer. And we'll name this to rest prompt. Put it on what I hope is a unique layer. We'll find out. Put that in UI. Or actually, I think Heart would get exposed more to Swedish and a Canadian ICA. Or IKEA. Oh my god, I said ICA. Zeddy Shah, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Oh my goodness. Hello. Raiders, welcome in. Hi, hi, hi. I'm iHeart Funny Boys. I'm a game dev working in Godot. And I'm working right now on setting up a prompt that your player will see when they try to sit in a chair that says, how long would you like to rest for? But I can show you, since you're here, the game overall, because it's pretty cute. And actually, I haven't showed anyone what it looks like from scratch now, because that's something I just changed. But this is Hexery. It's a cozy multiplayer game that's very much inspired, we'll say, by Animal Crossing. But Zed, how was your stream? I want you to say what you got up to. But I'm going to start showing this because I know it takes a minute to type it out. Okay, and I know you're doing more software than game dev from when I was in the other day. So yeah, what kind of stuff? What kind of stuff? We got a lot of software devs in the chat right now. Okay, so a cool save. Zedland, we'll call it. So we land in and now we got like this full complement of nature. And our inventory is just a crafting bench. That's all we have to our name. Let's plop it down. We have some achievements we can seek out. Mine was good, just did some web dev. I tend to do the biz coding during the day and game dev. And oh, nice, nice. So biz coding is web dev? Game dev at night. Nighttime game dev. That sounds good. Yeah, I'm a hobbyist game dev, so I am kind of on the same schedule. What kind of web dev were you working on? What was your project? Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Zed. Very nice. Zed After Dark. Ooh. Alright, so we have achievements. We can seek out... Oh my gosh, the rarest mushroom on my first spawn. That's amazing. We can also just like collect mushrooms. And that's pretty cool. that's pretty much the game. Just crafting and collecting mushrooms and getting achievements. But we're working on more. We're working on resting time, and we're gonna add flying today. Thornity, welcome in. Becomes non-hobby game dev 2026? Maybe. That's a goal, but we'll see how it goes. Thornity, welcome in. Switching my JavaScript website to Go and have been doing the work to make it less annoying. Nice, nice. Maybe boys? Wait. Love this world view. Thank you. It's a shader. It's a cute little shader that kind of makes some other cool shader stuff just not possible, but I like it. I like it a lot. I should add more achievements, I think, for like collecting stone. These are just like early achievements that kind of encourage you to explore and try things, and then give you currency you can spend for like crafting recipes and stuff. So just like not spamming Steam achievements. I have to fix that because like for a while it was. But yeah, this is the game. Just picking up rocks and sticks, and then eventually crafting things to get more rocks and sticks. All right. We need a sound effect for this. Like yesterday. You can chop down trees. Exactly, that's what I'm showing them. Chop down trees. Thanks for all your content and a place to be and learn and hang out. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I have only been in Zed's stream a couple of times, but it seems like a nice chill place. That's just life, man. Wait, what? Gathering is the best. Yeah, it's just like a foraging game. Oh god, the sky like flashed tonight. That didn't look good at all. Alright, that's something to fix. Foraging is just life. Oh, I see, I see. More rocks, more sticks to build bigger sticks and bigger rocks. Yeah, and then to make equipment that makes your rock and stick collecting more efficient. And then it really gets interesting. Because now we have enough wood to craft storage. Oh no, we have slightly too much, so there won't be room. Okay, I gotta put something down. Oh, I picked up this instead of interacting with it. I'm still adjusting to controls, I'd say. Yeah, foraging is just life. Foraging is goals. Foraging is everything. And I am nothing. I am nothing without foraging. I want to add transparency to the ground too when we get blocked by it. Not full transparency, but like some. Enough to get an idea of what's going on back there. Just like we do with the trees, you know? Kind of lost track of what I was doing. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're working on time travel right now. But more specifically, we're working on how do we sit down in a chair. These are the questions. How do we sit down in a chair? It's nighttime now. Anyway. So I'm going to jump back to my other save that had all of the stuff already kind of figured out. But first, we need to set this up. Let's put this on layer 30. And we'll do a panel container. How long would you like to rest? we'll set it to wrap text. And we'll set it to my chair is wheels so I can sit in chair while I forage. Nice, nice. Nice. Just forever sitting. Speaking of sitting, I think I've been standing long enough and I want to sit down. And I won't take no for an answer. Oh, my desk didn't go down. Oh gosh. Oh geez. I might have accidentally set my my seated height to my standing height because it just doesn't move when I push the button. All right, I guess let's set this. How long would you like to rest? Oh. Just writing submit for now, but it'll be like a checkbox. Evolution, please don't add that prompt. What prompt? What? Invigor... Wait, what? Invorograted? Yeah, what? Invigorated. Invigorated? This looks like shit. Acid, welcome in. Invigorated. Something. You're feeling that. Yes. I think this text is too big. Sorry, just been lurking. No worries, no worries. Alright, let's put you on theme. Feel in Vigo, you don't feel, you feel nothing. You came out in a shining cloak. Cloac. Yes. Alright, this I think needs a bit bigger of a spacer. And then this can be smaller. Yep. And then Power up. Power down. Submit button. Give it a script. I'm actually gonna move this to auto loads. So we'll have to move the rest of that to that. Okay, Munglo, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? What did you get up to? Hello. Hi. For anyone in the raid that doesn't know me, and Munglo, please say what you're up to. Don't make me look you up again and your project. Don't ask what. No, you have to say. you can't just. Oh, I just realized how tiny, how short I am on the screen. You can't just come in here, raid blaring, and not tell me what you're up to. Come on, get in here. That's right. And Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Munglo. For anyone in the raid that doesn't know me, I'm iHeartFunnyBoys. I'm a game dev working in Godot, and I'm working right now on a cozy multiplayer game that is heavily inspired by Animal Crossing. And right now I'm setting up a prompt for if you sit down in a chair or lay in a bed that will let you travel through time. So, you know, it's pretty cool. Time set. Hours. Started to implement the proper where are players and what should they see on network. That cascaded into a need to rearrange how I do the avatars for players. Where are players? What should they see on network? You just mean like multiplayer. Feck. Alright. What the feck? Or am I allowed to say that? Is that... Jern Jam 3 winner, goddamn. Whoa. Is this a tower defense? It looks like one. Multiplayer synchronizers node has a network filtering thing that is set to public by default. Oh. I don't want that, so I have to do a bunch of things to make things work the way I want. Oh, I see. Kind of tower defense. Yeah, it looks like a tower defense city builder almost. But I guess that's kind of what a tower defense is. It just depends on how many dimensions there are. This looks really cool. But no web build. Tisk. Target is a 10 to 15 minute intense focus experience for this. You're still working on it. But not touched it in a while. Okay. Okay. Ooh, ghost model. That's good. That's good. I was there. These are small games that I'm gonna try out and then steal the ideas from, so I have a private playlist for that. I think right now Mongolo is working on their multiplayer game, right? Procure from, inspire by. Exactly. This is mine now. Yoink. Let's just say yoink. I really liked Plants vs. Zombies. So, like, I didn't realize I liked tower defenses because I didn't realize that was a tower defense. Let's set this as a unique name. Or actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do this. Oh no, I did want that. Okay. Okay. Hour count text equal to string of hour count. Hour count label. Oh my gosh. Label. Goodness. Tower defense, eh? Micro, welcome in. Good morning. Y'all are so talented. Really are. Plants vs. Zombies is a great one. Yeah, I was obsessed with that game when I found it. I found it kind of late in my life. Most of us are fumbling. I'm not fumbling. I thrive. Hopefully. The main project is multiplayer co-op RPG dungeon diving thing. I had most things working. So today I broke it all. Nice. Let's emit this with hour count. And then profit. Oh, also I should just like set visible to false. Actually, let's like be nice about it. Let's do something good that looks nice. Just for once, just this once. Create tween, tweener property self scale vector to 0.01. Just this once will actually animate anything in this game. I'm on the fence about making a jump to get into game dev. Acid Gamer, you should. You should. Just like try a little bit. Just take a taste. Don't listen to Medusa. Just try a little bit. You can still hang out. I've already quit, got burnt out in my previous job. Oh. Leave your kids. Go do game dev. Jump. I would just try a little something, something. See how it feels. See if it sparks joy. Oh, you know what? I don't want this on self. I want it on this. But now I have to do a show function. Gotta make a big show of it. I'm not procrastinating on finishing this, you guys are. Don't listen to Medusa. Yeah, exactly. Life is short. Most risks aren't that risky. Follow what sparks joy if you have some sensibility. Yeah. I've been eyeing up Unity right now, but lots of streamers using Godot, it seems. Yeah, you can use whatever. Just try things. I started with Unity. There's no harm in trying. If I were equipped to give life advice, okay. Do it, life is short. Everyone Exceeds has one thing in common. They went for it. You can't win if you don't play. Exactly. That's a really good point. Yeah, I totally agree with this. If our count is less than 23, our count plus equals 1. If our count is greater than 0, our count minus equals 1. And then we'll say set value. Our count equals value if is inside tree. Our count label dot text equals string of our count. So I could just say our count is 0, and then it'll do the rest for me. Okay. Call it game time hours. Because I don't want to wait more than a day. Mention y'all in my Game of the Year speech this year. Good, thank you. I almost forgot the most important part. What's that? You have to believe in who? You and it. Oh. All of it. I don't think you have to. You can try stuff just to try it, and then believe can come later. I think that's okay. You're allowed to try without full confidence. I will contest that. Just this once. On ready, I'm gonna set visible as false. Show panel. Our count, gonna reset to 0. To say balance. Oh no. Not balance. My mortal enemy. Show in file system. I want this elsewhere. Yeah, sorry. Here we preach balance. We're really sick like that. Alright, let's set let's set this. Auto load quest prompt. So we need to check if multiplayer dot if Steam manager dot is connected. If it's enabled, and if and Steam manager dot I don't remember what this is called. So I'll just say on host. Whatever. Rest prompt, show panel, await rest prompt dot time set. Wait is equal to this. And then else await input Acid Gamer left without ever knowing about balance. I'm still here. Input dot anything press. No, I need a signal though. Press event. What would this be? What would this be? Fuck. I don't know. I'll just do this. For now. Hashtag for now. Yes. Hashtag balance queen. Watch out, everyone. I'm about to be productive. Oh, Lord. I think I might take a quick BRB because I missed my last one. I really need to go to the bathroom. I really need to pee. That's iconic. It looks like I think it's supposed to be a woman's face with sunglasses and big hair. But that's not what it looks like at a glance. It looks like something else. It looks like thighs and stuff. Like it's tiny on my screen. Yeah. Yeah. I just want to check this before I walk away because I'm gonna forget what I did. Actually, wait. If hours wait is greater than 0. Let's not call this if it's not. All of your logo looks sus? This? Oh, it doesn't. My logo's perfect. How dare you? Alright, so engage. Sit for 2 hours. Amazing. We did it. Alright, what happens if I say 0? Submit. Nothing happened. Just immediately stand up again. Sit for 2 hours. Okay, at least 2 hours. We got a stream to run. Submit. And now I'm locked in. locked in. Submit. You don't like to submit? But you like to sub? Alright, next we'll try going negative just to... Oh, picked up the chair instead. Okay. Can't do it. So you just stand up again. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, I'll just leave this open, actually. Let's just see if I can beat the... I'm just kidding. This is going to take way too long. I'll BRB. We got ads starting anyway. I don't even have to rush them. Well, like 30 seconds. I'll rush it a little bit. Alright, BRB. I've returned. I realized I wasn't looking at the YouTube side stats at all, so I had like no eyes on that. Now we're all together. BRB AFK overlays. It's the thing I want to work on. You should. My 1.2 multiplier wins again. Damn, DB9. That took minutes for you to get back to the top. Can't do it, just stand up again. It's okay. The little people on the bottom, I feel like everyone's converging on it, so why not meet up? Jedum slimes from Unreal wouldn't just pop over here. It's nice to have isolation. Still want our own area. Yeah, I thought the little guys that people have on their streams are cute, but I'm not going for something like that because I feel like I've seen too much of it and I want to have like a unique looking stream, and I just like I have no idea how to make that unique. Like Beegs had a cool one with the like little gummy guys that like ran around. Tim, welcome in. Hello world. Hello, world, and all who inhabit it. I think that's like a SpongeBob quote. So I need to check. Watch every stream and was like, okay, so if I stream, I should do this. Then I paid attention. Bulb Turtle, hello. I mean, there's no have-tos. Yeah, exactly. Everyone has their own vibe. Moderation strikes again. Just to fuck you up. Yeah, moderation. You can do your own thing. There's no right answer. There's no wrong answer. There's just terms of service or whatever that you have to abide. But other than that, you do your own thing. One thing I will say is, like, there's definitely some things that, like, I picked up from watching other streams that I was just like, I'm stealing. Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Tim. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of gift subs, and that's like all today. Jeez, thank you. Get in here, procuring. Just like collecting ideas, taking them, inspiring by them, and then profit. Tim, you get the I heart intensity emote now. One of the favorites. Being part of humanity. Oh. Hey Vongo, welcome in. Hi. Oh my gosh, Medusa, thank you for another gift sub. Jesus. Okay, thank you. I don't know what to say. I'm so awkward. You know I'm awkward. Jesus, exactly. Jeez Louise. I need to listen for an event. That's what I need. So maybe what I could do is say player input. We'll add a signal. And let's add this to the input blockers. Rest prompt. And let's say signal key interrupt. If event, oh, I do this. Emit this. And then the chair will await a player dot input dot this. Steam racing game monitoring? Wait, what? How's the data analyst stuff going? Any pro tips? Steam racing game monitoring. What? What? Tron is equal to good? What? I'm just gonna keep working. I don't know. Okay, so now if we don't pick a time, we'll just sit until we hit escape. I don't know if that's the best, but that's what's happening. Oh. There we go. Just me being attentive to racing games that come out but takeaway is selling games is very unlikely. For you? Why? Alright, so now we just sit until we push escape. I think that's legit. But we could also sit until any movement. And that would be nice. It was an interesting watch, just scoping out what games do and what games label. What are we talking about? I don't understand. Alright, so then if we move, we just get up. If we jump, we're free. So that's all good. Now we just have to rotate to the chair. Get our butt in the seat. And then we're all done. Oh, and we have to fix this check to make sense. This, no. The chairs check. Char Squirtle next. Talking about first Monday of every month, I run through Steam page info of all racing games released the prior month. Oh my god, that was such needed context. Thank you, Tim. Why racing games? Is that just like your favorite type? Your genre? Or is there like a... You're terrible at context. That's okay. We got there. We got there. Yeah. Okay, so... Enabled is just like, is Steam connected? So that's like a base. Is host... But we... It is a genre I'm pulled into for unknown reasons because I don't think it's possible to make a business from them. Oh. That's interesting. Tim is race. To communicate. Don't say it's okay. Alright, I won't. You're terrible. Shame on you. Tim is speed. Snail. Tortoise. That beats the hare. You're the worst. How's that? There was a snail game. Go on. I want to... If I just said if... Or not... multiplayer.peer is Steam multiplayer peer. So if the multiplayer peer isn't Steam multiplayer peer, then we are allowed to rest. Kobe, welcome in. There was a snail game. There was, then it got canceled. Oh. Make me sad. I make myself sad. Oh, it was your game, the snail game. Hope Dev is going epic. It is, Kobe. We're making Time Control. Just got done with developing a new jazz lo-fi song. It's one of the worst things I've ever made. Somehow boring, annoying, it feels like it goes nowhere, and it's distracting too. Oh, Coda. Should we listen? Happens to the best of us. It does. It really does. So if I open a host, so now we have a host. It didn't prompt me. That's perfect. Ah, it's perfect. Because you can't rest in multiplayer peer. And then if we close, now we can. We don't have to. That's so cool. Skybook looks awesome. Thank you. I made it a day-night transition now. But there's a little bit of jitteriness sometimes in the sky that I'm not sure what to do about. I feel like I'm gonna cry over Snail Game now. Oh. I can drop a quick link if you want. It's 5 minutes long, but I could only tolerate 90 seconds of it. No, no. You don't have to share if it's bad. You don't have to share. It's okay. Yeah, so then the last thing is to turn our butt around. We face... I think if we just rotate it 180 while we're sitting... Okay, and then we say owner dot last moved equals negative last moved. I will try. Hey, I'm like not on it, but that's a good start. Okay, we don't have to flip it back around when we say cancel. You don't have a rotating directional light. I feel like you should, but also like barely. Yeah, it's like all ambient light. The bright essence is charming. Yeah, you don't want too much shadow. Tried writing jazz for the first time. Yeah. Yeah, Coda's first attempt in this genre. So, it happens. It happens. So, the other thing is... We want Really, we just want like an anchor point on the chair. And that we pass that when we call sit and chair. A chair. A chair slots. I'll set it to null. If a chair slots, owner dot mesh it acts like it doesn't know any of its stuff. I have to have this open player mesh. Global position equals a chair slot at global position. Or can I just say global transform? I think the global transform is... Oh, it's a transformed 3D. Identity? I don't know. I don't know what that should be. You did post in the audio channel Discord if anyone is interested. Okay. Cuckoo, welcome in on the YouTube side. Do you work in the game industry in your day job too? I used to. Oh, Baggysaurus, thank you for the follow on Twitch. Welcome in. Yeah, I used to. I worked at Ubisoft until like September. I quit in the end of September of 2025. But I was only there for like 2 years. And now I work in engineering again. Okay, I guess let's just try this. Except we need to pass this in. So let's give our chair a chair slot. Ubisoft US? No, in Sweden. Well, well, well. If it isn't Mr. D-Boy, or should I say Murd Boy, as you like to be called. What kind of engineering? Right now, automation engineering, but in the past it was embedded systems. Embedded systems engineering and ASIC designing. So, like a lot of digital logic to code. Jumper? That sounds inappropriate, Murd Boy. Keep that for after stream. Digital circuit design. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Chair slot is going to be node 3D. After the stream. Coda. You're great. Alright. I guess we don't really need to set this here, but we'll just do it anyway. Oh, don't go anywhere. Okay. Do you work on site or remotely? In Sweden, I work on site. I live in Sweden. But I'm from the US, so... Oh. Oh. I am... Okay. Didn't work out like I wanted it to. Alright. How's work-life balance as an automation engineer? It's really good. It's really good. That's a big part of why I switched. I wanted to have my life back, and I wanted to have more time for game dev. Ironically, I didn't have that when I was working at a game studio. But also, like, a big part of it was my commute was horrible, to be fair. But, like, living in Sweden, you kind of get built-in work-life balance to a degree. Because you're, like, working 40 hours, and that's it. And you get vacations and stuff, which is cool. Dang it. I think I just need to, like, rotate. Although, I think because I wasn't setting this, it's like lerping away. Oh. Owner dot last. Okay. What can I do? Face towards. Let's say lerp towards angle Y. Mr. D-Boy, I am going to be opening up a new round, new call for playtesters really soon. Arcat, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. You're making Sweden sound real nice for work For work-wise, yeah. That's why I'm here. Nice. Yeah. I'm probably gonna open a call like tonight or tomorrow, and then I'll leave it open for like a week, and then I'll send out keys. In fact, let's do it right now. So if anyone is interested in playtesting, I do this call for playtesters on my Discord, and I'm going to tag people. Thank you, Mitra, for the hydrate. I do this call for playtesters, and then you just have to react. And it's just like a narrow window of time, but like as many people as want to playtest can. I'm looking for a new... I don't want to say new. Another... Amitra, thank you for the follow, and Acid Gamer as well. Thank you. Welcome all. Welcome to our club. Welcome to our club. Welcome followers. Welcome followers. Okay, I'll stop. Looking for another cohort. No, that's so cheesy. That's terrible. Open call for more Xery playtesters. Please react. Oh. No! To this post if you are interested. And I will send you some keys. Call will close on 7 days. Stop. Playtester and funny boys. So you don't have to be a playtester in the Discord. That's just so you'd get the notice when I post this. And yeah, when I close the call, I'll send out 4 keys to each person that did the sparkler react. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. So many so fast. And yeah, there's no limit to how many people. I just need a window to like know, okay, there's actually gonna be something to test, right? I can't just be constantly sending out keys when it's like in a broken state. And I will either have voice chat working, or I will remove it as like any sort of indication that it was there until I can get it working. Because right now, oh hi. Right now voice chat doesn't work, and so I either need to fix it or I need to not make it look like it works so people don't try and use it when it's still busted. Hi, sweetie. You're so precious. But we added a lot since the last playtest. Like, we have crafting, we have achievements and achievement rewards, and so much is new. And we'll have time travel and flying. She's being really cute, and I want to work, but like, I want to pet her too. Yeah. Okay. All right. Back to work. Yeah, you're precious. So yeah, it'll be like next Wednesday. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh, she smells really good, actually. She smells good. It's a sign of trouble. I don't know. She just smells good. She roll around my perfumes. Were you rolling around in perfumes? That sounds like her. All right. to sit in my lap? I don't have to worry about you falling. Alright. We can work like this. Mr. D-Boy, that sucks. That really sucks. But that's like that's an easy fix. And then you can just do it again. So at least there's that. Okay, so if I want to point towards angle Y, what I'm really doing is setting the last direction. So I have to calculate the vector to calculate the angle back to itself. So vec 2D is equal to this is like basic math. I feel really dumb right now. I need rise over run based on an angle. Is that tangent? An angle. So that's like a ratio to rise over run. And so then we'd say last moved or is this a 2D? Vector 3. Oh, carrot cake. You want? She just wants to be pet. No pet, only math. Only math. I don't know if this will work. Because rise run's like the ratio, right? But I don't know. I don't know if Z is forward. I guess I could figure that out. Yeah, it looks like it is. I guess let's just try it. Did I finish connecting this? I was so distracted. All right. And I'm gone. What the heck? Oh. Oh, I'm silly. I said its global position, not its position. So it... Okay, yeah. That's embarrassing. Fortunately, no silly goose trackers were watching when that happened. So what happens if I go here? Okay, so it's just wrong. Coda, can you let Carrot out? I think I have this backwards. I think that's why this is funny. Alright, so the only problem that I can see is that we're like atop the chair, but we can fix that. Oh. All right. Maybe this isn't working. I'm going to change the animation. Sit on the floor idle instead. Oops. Actually, cancel. That's not gonna work. Porque no. It's not gonna work because when you rotate the chair, the character is not sitting in the rotated angle, so something funny is going on. Like the chair is getting rotated and somehow it's not rotating the chair slot. Somehow. Which makes me think it was just never calculating it correctly to begin with. Because it's always the same. So, yeah, we just have to change how we calculate this, I think. I thought tangent was correct. And I wanted to do sitting. Lisa Melton, thank you for the follow. Sorry I missed that earlier. Welcome in. I wanted to switch the chair seated idle to the chair floor idle, because then I could just slot the player's mesh to the top of the seat. But the animation isn't like a normal sit. It's like a reclined sit. But yeah, like the rotation rotates the mesh for sure, and it's a child of the mesh. And I'm pretty sure we're looking at the global rotation of the chair slot. Oh, no, we're not. We were just looking at rotation, so maybe that's the issue. Because that wouldn't update. Okay. Thank you, Ducky. Do you have experience with shit getting fucked up? Let's move the chair somewhere that it's easier to test, like where we actually land. Okay. Okay, that's progress. If it's wrong, but consistently, it's fine. It's not. How crazy is that? Only one of 4 angles is correct? Claymore, welcome in. Game development, yes. Only one is correct. You'd think they'd either all be or like half would be, right? Why would only one be correct? And it's not like they're just not turning. But it's possible that the facing towards us. Medusa, thank you for the gift sub to Acid Gamer. That's really nice. The angle down, the one that's right, might be like the weird looping one. And for a gift sub to Claymore Dev. Oh my goodness. Thank you. So many gift subs. Jeez. I accept. But wow. What? What? Submit. Oh. Now it's right? What? Okay. But what if I was like this? Okay. But what if I was like this? No. Okay. Okay. So it would make sense to me if 2 of them were like that. But oh my gosh, I want popcorn so bad suddenly. No, I will enjoy it more after stream, I think. When people can't see me inhaling it. Although maybe I should make a big thing of tofu. Ray, hello, welcome in. And DZ, welcome as well. Hello. Spent my whole life making money to do what I want with it. That's fair. That's fair. Turns out the gifting subs. Oh my goodness. And DZ, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Welcome to the Black Parade. Welcome to the stream where the game logic's made up and nothing I do matters. This is just very strange. This is beautiful and frustrating. We have a million books, a million games, a million content. Wait, wait, what? Yeah, if it was easy, everyone would do it. The chair. What? Chair. So we send global rotation y to the function lerp towards angle y. Lerp towards angle y calculates the ratio of rise to run from tangent. I think I should look that up. Tangent. Tangent is cosine over sine, right? So cosine over sine is equivalent to, or sine over cosine. Here we go. Tangent A is opposite over adjacent. A over B. Rise over run. Yeah. Sine is a wave function. Cosine's a reverse wave function. It's all about angles, man. It's all about, like, the unit circle, but also triangles. Tan is opposite over adjacent. It's rise over run. Vendusa, thank you for the gifts. We love trig, don't we, folks? We do. So if I know tangent, then I know the ratio of A to B. Which in the 3D plane should be, or is it? X over Z. Yeah, so X is tan and Z is 1. Which I have. Tangent is like this line. This line that is the angle that it has exactly one point of contact. It's like the normal is coming out of the circle and the tangent is orthogonal. That's what tangent is. Yeah. I went to college. You got it backwards? Normal is orthogonal to the plane. I know, and I'm saying it's coming out of the circle and then tangent's orthogonal to normal. Or perpendicular, that's the word I was trying to remember. The normal is... okay. It's been a while, right? But the point is in a triangle, which is how we're caring about it right now. We just want opposite over adjacent. We want that ratio. Normal is perpendicular in 3D space. Yeah, math is normal. Almost Biley, welcome in. Bot, welcome. The tangent is tangential to the curve. Yeah, that's true. That's a good way to put it. That's very helpful. I like tangerines. Very good. So this should be right. But I think maybe there's like a looping thing happening. But it says it's for radians, and I'm passing radians. Medusa, thank you for gift sub to Coda. Does Coda... I guess I didn't know you were out, Coda. And to Mr. D-Boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna like... I don't know that I've had this many subs before. Jeez. Gonna like what? Gonna like hit a new record. That I had to consult Wiki because I didn't learn math and English. That's fair. Pay taxes. I always have to pay taxes. Oh shit, I gotta figure that out still. I'm supposed to do that this week for the last year. Yeah, make Medusa VIP at the point. You can't buy VIP. VIP is an exclusive group of like 3 people. Think you can buy VIP? Perhaps. Perhaps. We all have a price. Perchance. However. Everyone does have a price. That's true. We have 3 minutes left. I think I'm gonna snooze. I'm sad we didn't get to flying yet because of this dang chair. Sneaks 100 sec under the table. Wink wink. I know how much 100 sec is, you know. It means less. Is that something people want? To be a VIP here? I feel like that'd be better in a good stream, but it buys you lots of McNuggets. Does it really? Like 9? It's a flex and mod as duties. That's true. You don't want to be my mod anymore, Coda? It's like collecting Pokemon. If you have them, I think you should use them. But, however, stream is very important to me. Aaron! Oh my goodness. What a thing to say. Yeah, but that's just today. Medusa just came in hot. But we hang out in other streams. I'm uncomfortable with compliments. Why does Coda not have a lead mod badge? Is there a lead mod? I've been hot. You are very hot. Is that a thing? Oh, I can remove can as a mod. Just kidding. It's a hammer as opposed to a sword. Oh. Oh. I don't know how to do this. Need to beat Cam for it. Simran, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I can ban Coda. I can... What? How do I... I don't want to ban Coda. I could report Coda. I don't see a way to do that. I might not have a high enough power level yet. I have wanted a place I've been 8 years almost. Okay. Maybe it's for partners. Cricket did a knighting thing when he VIP'd to do formal about it. Are you out of VIPs? No, I'm not out. That'd be the first time I get down on one knee. Oh, should we tell him the story? The guy I'm mod for is partner. Okay, okay. You don't want people to know. How are we setting this? Input move there. I can't leave you hanging. You're embarrassed? Don't be embarrassed. It's beautiful. Yeah, it was not. It was not majestic. But I liked it. Alright, so we got engaged to be married, to be wed. Via a conversation. It was just us talking. We'd been living together for years, and we were in our... I was about to start my senior year of... it was like beginning of my second semester junior year of college. And Coda was just starting his senior year. And we had a conversation. We agreed to get married. And then I went to the bathroom. And we have like a no door closed in the bathroom unless you're pooping lifestyle. I wouldn't call it a policy. That's just kind of how it goes. So Coda walked in after I was on the toilet peeing. Oh, out of focus. Oh no, I need to be in focus for this story. So Coda followed me into the bathroom while I was peeing and got down on a knee at that point. And I couldn't get away because I was peeing. There's no actual love if you close the door while pooping. Damn, is that the case? Because that might be trouble. And he did it because I shared, or we like saw this picture like a long time ago of a woman peeing on the toilet and a man kneeling down next to her holding out a ring box. So he did the same thing. Yeah. It was a meaningful place to both of us. Yeah, I would say so. Just trap him. Yeah. Don't say that, Coda. Don't. Poop buddies level. Yeah, I guess we're not quite there yet. Oh, no. Anyway. I literally ended up saying, I love the way we vibe somewhere in my talk in front of my wife's whole family. That sounds really nice, Medusa. Yeah, it's a memorable one for sure. It's a proposal for the books. Yeah, that would definitely be a cool story. I'm happy to share it with you all right now even. I think it's hilarious. That's hella romantic. It's just like we share jokes and we're funny. So glad this story turned around. Not everyone proposes in a stall. Yeah. We have something special. So anyway, that's our story. You don't know how hard it is to be a funny boy sometimes. When's the real proposal? Have we had like anything more elaborate? I don't think so. No, nothing for Twitch at least. No Twitch ceremonies yet. All right, here's my plan. Here's my plan, Stans. We did not finish sitting in a chair, but we did finish time traveling. So that's cool. And then we didn't start flying. However, I'm streaming again on Friday. And then also Saturday and Sunday. So we can get flying done. I know exactly how to do it. We just need to do it. So in the meantime, I will fix the sitting nonsense. I don't know what's going on there, but I'll figure it out. Code is being sweet on the other screen. So I'll get this working. Be back Friday and then Saturday and Sunday. Please follow if you want to see more. Please subscribe on YouTube if you're on the YouTube side. Please subscribe on the YouTube if you're not on the YouTube side, because I also have a YouTube and I work really hard on it. And I'm working on a new video right now, a new devlog that'll be kind of about what I'm working on here, about some things that I showed, so spoilers, but it's good. Alright, let's see who to raid. Gotta make sure I'm not taking too long and we miss the opportunity. Okay, so we're gonna raid someone I haven't raided before. I haven't really seen their streams, but I've seen them around. And they're also working on a Godot multiplayer project and a tutorial for it specifically. I'm gonna go back and read the chat once I've started the raid. We're gonna go see Bear Like Lion. I hope he'll be up for a while. It looks like he's not instantly leaving, so that's good. So we'll start the raid. Let me catch up. Read this. Time to make a new function. Proposal. Do we have Twitch ceremonies now? We're about to. You did good. Proud of you. Flying. We're doing it. We're doing all the things. Tan is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. No. Tangent's opposite over adjacent. That's what we were looking at in the equation. I'd marry her in World of Warcraft if that's all that was available. Coda. Pooprosal. Excellent, excellent. And also join my Discord if you want to be a playtester for my game at any point, because I'm just passing out keys. That was something that happened IRL. That's funny. Smash that subscribe. Don't be shy. Medusa, thank you for all the gift subs. Oh my goodness. Kezer, have a good night. DV9, thank you for all the giant me's and everything. All the giant emotes. Can't catch up if we keep trying. Wait. Oh no. Don't purposely do this. It's like 10 seconds left. Sokatoa. That's right. That's right. Roblox ceremony. We got 8 Roblox first. Hilden, thank you for hanging out. I don't know math anymore. That's okay. That's okay. Second favorite. Thank you for the emotes. Oh my gosh, we're running out. All right. Bye, YouTube. We're going in now.